Leo and the Lost Cat. You. This is Leo. Leo is a young boy. He lives in a small blue house with his family. Leo has a pet. His pet is a cat. The cat's name is Max. Max is a black cat with big green eyes. Leo loves Max very much. Every morning, Leo and Max eat breakfast together. Leo has toast and milk. Max has his cat food. After school, Leo and Max play in the garden. Leo throws a small red ball. Max runs and brings the ball back. They are best friends. Puro. One Tuesday, Leo came home from school. He opened the door and called, "Max, I'm home." But Max did not come. Leo looked in the kitchen. He looked in the living room. Max was not there. Leo started to feel worried. He went to the garden. The garden gate was open. "Oh no," Leo thought. "Max is outside." Leo went out to the street. He walked and called for his cat. "Max, where are you?" he asked his neighbor, an old woman named Mrs. Rose. "Have you seen my cat?" Leo asked. "No, dear, I haven't seen him today," she said. Leo was sad. He walked to the park near his house. The park was quiet. Suddenly, he heard a small sound. Meow. Leo looked up into a big tree. He saw his black cat. Max was in the tree. He was scared and couldn't come down. A kind man was in the park. He saw Leo. "Is that your cat?" the man asked. "Yes, his name is Max," Leo said. The man was tall. He carefully climbed the tree and got Max. He gave the cat to Leo. Leo hugged Max very tightly. Thank you," he said to the man. Leo and Max went home. Leo gave Max a big bowl of fish. Max was very hungry. That night, Leo closed the garden gate carefully. He was very happy. His best friend was safe at home. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel.